This is a rake, you know? Commercial rake.
Close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. What again? But me not say nothing because I drought time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire, go on, Parry. Fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, in at the five-star backyard.
Yes, I the bread jelly this year.
Whoa! You don't want your mother.
That then if I hear mixer oil get it sell in mixer food. Alana, what kind of cocoa that?
Kaya.
Eh? Me say me see Bubba this morning out the road. Me say me think Caprice Bubba come from. Who cut Bubba here? You don't see him?
No, I'm not surprised.
No, bro.
I'm with them in a surprise.
Where him have a rat in here, Bob? Them I say, yo, where Bubba gonna come from jail? I want to drop down. And me sit down in a Murphy car and come heal me. Me said judgment this.
That's it.
Yeah.
You have a pass off yourself.
So we're going right there so now. The guys them a continue. Don't use so hard Tommy, Coop and Tommy. Do me up the cut. Yeah, what? I want to go out for you with that. I walk away you attire nice to come clean up. Yeah. So them a continue. All them look like them start doing the work yet, but them a go and them a enjoy themselves. So little drinks have to go up on the house because them so thirsty. Gully for what?
Water.
Our future sound man that in a party when we come here they have to eat and drink. Tommy sound ready?
No.
Wara? Tommy's hi-fi. Next clip party. About shoe laundry them they don't push them up high. Alan original. But Alan, you just come there with the machete, you know. Alan, I'm not putting no pressure upon the machete. Yeah, Breezy. Yeah, Breezy gone chill. You gonna cook?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you gonna run some sir? Oh. Alright. Little bit here. Boy, tell me your machete light though. Pull it, the rooster look like. Then she will run out the land.
You know with me. Both of them move in the fire. They don't belong to you, but one of them belong to you. Let me feel fit about
One pair of common fowl, one rooster and one hen. That in young, she young, don't it, Alan? She young. Yeah. We are gonna feed them pan crush can parry, and we are keeping the common fowl breed, the dongle fowl. I am preserving. Yeah, my mama always have her common fowl, so me I preserve it. Right, Parry? I gather some common fowl for my little cook and preserve it. I'll show you how we used to do the thing back then. Everything just adjust, you know. We know everything just a last out from we so. Eh? So the guys them are continue with the cleaning up and all of that, and the time set up look like rain I go fall. But we don't know. We want it fall for the breadfruit then full up. I want to order them something and something in them slug. Like them dry out.
But Johnson, my cousin.
Hey. Then how you gonna get the stone from Johnson Hill for come down here?
Yeah, talk about Johnson stone. Come on, man, choke the Nankavan.
So but it a go. Nobody talk about Nankavan.
I don't pay him. I mean, I pay him. You pay me.
Oh, you don't pay him outside different. I didn't know. I did not know.
Alan. Do you want to do that? Who want to do this now? Push on your family and place up a Johnson. Everybody know a place up a Johnson. Hey, everybody know a place up there. So you have a family. Buy who for side? Buy shoes. That's why you say shoe on your father.
Lord Jesus. No, sir. What kind of break this? Refreshment break. Patty and mula. Water. Some drink Pepsi. Hurry, where you eat there?
Patty.
Oh, that's the man patty.
I just patty there.
Where they are, Alan?
Babylon patty, where I eat? Beef patty. Beef patty.
Patty and Pepsi and Bula. Show them everybody. Where I eat. Tommy, show them Tommy. Here is everybody. Different part of Bushmouth, Parry.
I'm going to see the bamboo.
Don't mama butter me, I do there. Yeah. Don't mama butter me, I do say. Everybody jet like say everybody eat the same thing. There you go.
Babylon post, make them post Babylon. Babylon post just a man of them congregation. So we have to accept it.
What is Jesus?
You got one, give me back, give me.
Why is that? Serena Jones. What is Jesus?
You got one, give me back, give me.
Why is that? Serena Jones.
Parry, rain catch the guys then. Rain catch us. Catch the guys cleaning up. But them have some little more things to do. All I need to stop there right here saying, right here not do good enough. Alone. Alone. And the rake? The rake catch shots? How comes? So the rake have electric rake you use?
No.
So what happened to you, so?
That's all?
You use a cut stick and rake it up. So you couldn't use the rake for use for yourself.
No, man, that's right, that's not so.
So I can never draw down all them something and the stone them all come down here. How that a go? Yeah, we are roll the stone come down here, so. Come down here, so to me. Now tell Alan to me I talk to him.
All right.
What is about it? Fine tune.
But, you know,
But the rate, they never have the rate.
yeah, it was great.
Want a, it look little better, but not to my suit still enough.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, not to my suit, but so what you say you do with this here is that old kitchen top there.
Oh, you put off the zinc now.
That in it too, right?
Eh?
That in what we bargain for too.
Wait, no?
No, I'm asking you when you're doing it, it's into what we bargain for.
Oh, tomorrow that then.
You know, answer me. What we bargain for, that is into it too. Eh? So you're alright with the bargain fee in that?
So I know it about pull up?
Not really, but I'm just saying it is in there.
Oh.
So you have it for do.
You pull out, I'm on, you can't pull out. Kitchen top. And the whole zinc there, remove from it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to happen with this one now, Alan. What them beetle there?
Hold on.
This is a rake, you know? Commercial rake. Rake you find, you see it? You want to show somebody?
Yee.
So you do it. So you rake it, you know? Bush rat.
Oh.
Yeah, I want the video.
Oh, with him. She's sitting there.
That's him.
Can't really see him.
You can't show the bush then.
When him first I chop it, I see him.
Yes, and then red shirt, then we all look and show the bush, how she zoom it up. See your shirt there.
And then,
Catch him when he might come up, that you feel come up through the gully with the banana.
Phone him for what you know. Man, not bush your video,
He
man.
might come up there.
Yeah, spy for man, left for one.
Catch him, come up, try catch him. All of them, I see we have to see him there now. And where you come from, Aries?
No, so I cut that banana, you know. Monkey food.
We should feel it right.
Yeah, when you do it like this, you know. Like when you put in your vehicle and you really stain it up, you know. Put the dirt on it.
Yeah,
Rub
off the stain, because the banana stain is very, very terrible. It's not easy if you come out of your clothes. If I white clothes, you can't use the bleach, but if I colored clothes, it's done. Yeah, so that's how we do it to, you know, get rid of the stain, and we put it in the back of the vehicle.
Good carry me, say no?
Man, you know, see how hard it come up and this one it come as up.
No, sir.
A banky, right next side.
Yo, the man that get out your driver, yeah, man.
A banky,
And the fast, you know, so that's what I say. Me say, if you the man to roll the car to ride, me said, no. Me say, what my whole bean can? When the whole bean can pattern, boy, me say, yes. You know that what I Hey. When they go to Mali and stop in job emergency, say, and in review, he say, boom, boom, boom. And he come out and lock it. And he go in a shop. One big bull.